Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Outlook app and harden Microsoft account privacy. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Outlook app, start by unlocking your mobile device. Open your device's App Store. If you're using an Android device, visit the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Outlook. Look for the Microsoft Outlook app in the search results. Tap on the app icon to open the download page. Press the Install button. Wait for the download to complete. Once installed, open the Outlook app by tapping the icon. You will be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and select Sign In. Follow any on-screen instructions to set up the app. Now that the Outlook app is set up, let's harden your Microsoft account privacy. Open your web browser and go to the Microsoft account sign-in page. Log in with the same email and password you used for the Outlook app. Once logged in, navigate to the Security section. Look for Security Basics and click on it. Enable two-step verification if it's not already turned on. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a secondary method for verification. Next, scroll down to App Passwords. Generate a new app password for your Outlook app if necessary. Return to the Security page and review the Recent Activities section. Check for any unfamiliar logins or activities. If you notice anything suspicious, take immediate action. Next, go to the Privacy section of your Microsoft account settings. Review and adjust your privacy settings as needed. Consider limiting data sharing with third-party applications. Check the settings for activity history and clear any unwanted data. Make sure to review the ads personalization settings as well. Set these to your preference for enhanced privacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.